All right, y'all, look, we getting ready to start on these cabbage. We got us some turkey meat. All right, we got some onions in there. We're going to start incorporating our cabbage. All right, that's how we're going to get these going. And we're going to season these cabbage with some of my seasoning. So what we got so far, we got some turkey sausage. We got onions. We got a little butter. And we got some canola oil. And now we're going to add some seasoning. Add your little more oil in there. As much as you know, we want them greasy, not gritty. Add my everything green in here. I'm going to add me some salt and pepper. As you know, cabbage don't come seasoning. Put that salt on there. We're gonna top this off with more cabbage. We got a little bit more. We're gonna let this steam down a little bit. Right? I don't have any water in here right now. Alright? Not yet. So I am gonna add me probably just a little bit. Once I get these really cooking down like I want them to, moving them around real good, then I'm gonna probably add me just a drop or two of water in here. Just to help them steam a little quicker, okay? You don't have to if you're frying them. It's all up to you and how you want your cabbage to be. I'm going to add just a little water in there. Not much. That's enough. All right, I'm going to put the lid on here. And we're going to add more in just a minute, okay? So as cabbage cook, they dwindle down to almost nothing, really. They make their own water. You can steam. These are being steamed. I added just a tiny bit of water. All right, and I put my oil in there. I'm using turkey for my meat. I have onions in here. I did not use bell peppers in mine. If you want bell peppers in yours, this is 2 cabbages. Now, this pot is not that deep, as you can see. It's not a deep pot, but it's all about how you want it. Some people use a little bit more water. Some people like a little crunch to their cabbage. It's really up to you. We're almost at the end result. Taste it and see if you need more pepper. You need a little more salt. Whatever you need. Now's your time. You can taste it. Pick up your little leaf and, honey, it's almost ready. It doesn't take much. And that's some good old cabbage. Real quick, simple, and easy. All right, as you can see, these cabbage are ready. They're nice. Still good and fluffy. Got your little juice in there. Turned out great. Going to make you some. There you go. I hope you enjoy it.